now coming in. In the hearing that was earlier underway in the Bombay High Court on the Maharashtra extortion racket, some adverse and strong observations have been made, pulling up Parambir Singh, the former Mumbai Police Commissioner. In fact, we have the full details. We'll go across to our reporters as well. The court, while hearing the petition filed by the former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, who was seeking to quash the FIR registered against him, the High Court has asked for the investigation papers to be given in a sealed cover. The High Court has also asked the ASG, or the Additional Solicitor General, Aman Lekhi. The court has asked why the highest officer was not investigating when he was informed he could have himself registered the FIR. Justice Shinde of the Bombay High Court has said the main collector was Sachin Vaze as per the application, but can only an individual be blamed in this matter? Justice Shinde of the Bombay High Court has also asked whose instructions was Sachin Vaze taking. Sachin Vaze was obviously acting on someone's behest. Now, the court has also asked who the conspirators were, and that nobody should be left out and everybody should be investigated. Justice Shinde of the Bombay High Court has said corruption, he has observed, corruption is the root cause of what paralyzed common man, and hence there is a need for a full-fledged investigation. ASG Aman Lekhi, responding for the government, has said there is 120B of the IPC, as there is more than one individual in the case, and why are we saying it is a conspiracy? Justice Shinde observing that when you are transferred, you have problems. If we go to the root of the matter, who inducted Sachin Vaze? The court has asked who inducted Sachin Vaze. Alisha is also joining us with the full details. Alisha, very, very strong observations being made by the Bombay High Court. Yesha is also with us. Yesha and Alisha, let me go across to Alisha first. Alisha, give us the full details. Okay, I'll go across to Yesha. Yesha, give us the full details of what the court has said and why this is significant.
That's right, Niranjan. So now, because the court was hearing this matter of Anil Deshmukh, they have asked for the investigation papers in a sealed document. Now, what's important to note here is that the role of Parambir Singh is being questioned because it was said that this is a conspiracy, because considering the court clearly observed that this was a conspiracy because there were more than one person involved in it, and they said it was Sachin Vaze who had done the collection, and because it was Sachin Vaze who was reporting to Parambir Singh, they've questioned the role of Parambir Singh in this matter. They said it was Parambir Singh who could have filed an FIR in this case if he was aware of this entire angle of the Vasuli gate, because Solicitor General Lekhi had also pointed out the letter which was shared by Parambir Singh after his resignation, which had said that it was Anil Deshmukh. It was Anil Deshmukh who had asked for the extortion money, but in that letter particularly, Lekhi had pointed out one particular line which said that these people who were reporting to Parambir Singh were Parambir Singh was not aware of these people who were reporting to him and were asked by Anil Deshmukh to be a part of this entire Vasuli gate, and as a result of which this entire point came out, wherein if it was Parambir Singh who knew about this entire matter, then why did he not raise it with the authorities of filing FIR? Yes, Niranjan.
Yes. And as far as Parambir Singh is concerned, we hear that he was summoned but has once again not responded, seeking more time. Where is Parambir Singh?
That's right, Niranjan. So we had pointed this out earlier as well in one of our reports that ever since the first week of May, Parambir Singh, who was appointed as the DG Home Guard, has not been in office for that matter, and he has said that he is on medical leave. What we saw last week, that is around Friday, was that Enforcement Directorate had summoned Parambir Singh and asked him to appear before them in this same Vasuli Gate scandal, because we'd seen even Anil Deshmukh was summoned twice and he did not appear before the Enforcement Directorate, whereas two close aides of Anil Deshmukh, that is Palande as well as Shinde, they were both in the Enforcement Directorate custody and later sent to the judicial custody. But today, Enforcement Directorate confirmed that Parambir Singh was sent a summon, but he has excused himself on the grounds that he is unwell and cannot be present for a hearing, that is for a face-to-face hearing, but he can be present through a virtual mode. Now, we understand that Anil Deshmukh had also made a similar petition when he was summoned the first time and the second, and now Parambir Singh has said the same thing, because as of now, what we got to know from people close to Parambir Singh, that is from Parambir Singh's office, was that he is on a medical leave until July 17th and he cannot be present until then. So Parambir Singh has as of now said the same thing, that he is unwell and cannot be present before the Enforcement Directorate, and which is why he is not appeared before the Enforcement Directorate despite the summon being sent to him. Yes.
Thank you for joining us with all those details. The court making some strong observations while pulling up Sachin Waze's immediate boss back then, Parambir Singh, who was also shunted out as the Mumbai Police Commissioner. That's the breaking news update, saying that Parambir can't wash his hands off this matter. He should have filed an FIR. That was his moral duty. Thank you, Yasha. Handing it back to you for now.